BTCPay Server 2.1.0 brings a lot of improvement when it comes to fee acceleration in a high-fee environment. We've now added full replace by fee support and revamped our UI to help merchants better navigate difficulties during a high-fee environment period. This practically means that if you're a merchant and your customer paid an invoice which is stuck in mempool, you can now smoothly accelerate it and get it unstuck without using a third-party service and paying fees for that. Let's say that we received an invoice from a customer, which is an incoming invoice or an incoming payment, and it's been stuck for quite a while. To accelerate these transactions and get it unstuck, just click bump a fee. We will select the best possible or the only possible payment method for fee bumping. Now you only have to choose a higher fee, sign this transaction, and broadcast it. This means if a customer paid an invoice to your BTCPay server from a wallet which underestimated the fee and the customer doesn't know how to accelerate the transaction or on their end, you as a merchant can now improve that UX and make your customer happy by simply unstucking a transaction yourself. This of course means that you will have to pay a certain fee for that, but that's always a risk of doing business and up to you to estimate if it's worth to get it to unstuck it on your end or not. This was for incoming transactions, so somebody paying to you. What happens if you, from your wallet as a merchant, are paying to, for example, an exchange? Let's say that you want to sell some Bitcoin that you earned, so you're sending it to an exchange, but some things happen on the mempool and it's now full and your transaction is stuck. Now you cannot sell your Bitcoin. With the full RBF support, all the outgoing transactions can now easily be bumped as well. Just click again, bump a fee. We will select an adequate fee bumping method, choose a higher rate fee, sign transaction, and broadcast.